If you have been told that glowing skin comes down to the right serum or the right cream, here is something most people never hear. Your skin is not something you paint from the outside. It is a reflection of what is happening inside your body, your gut, your liver, and your cells. You can use the most expensive skincare on the market, but if your gut is inflamed, your liver is overloaded with toxins, or your cells are under oxidative stress, your skin will never truly glow. Today, I want to walk you through 5 specific foods that repair your skin from the inside, boost collagen production, calm inflammation, and give you natural, long lasting radiance without any artificial gimmicks. Why your skin depends on what is happening inside. Your skin is a protein structure. Collagen, keratin, and elastin are all proteins, which means skin health starts with having the raw material to build them. It also depends on inflammation staying low, on your liver clearing hormones and toxins efficiently, and on your cells being protected from oxidative damage. When any of those systems are under strain, it shows up on your face before it shows up anywhere else. Food 1, eggs. When people think about skin, they usually reach for vitamins, fruits, and juices and forget that skin tissue itself is a protein structure. If your protein intake is inadequate, your body prioritizes vital organs first and pushes skin, hair, and nails to the bottom of the list. That is when hair fall increases, nails turn brittle, and skin starts looking dull because the turnover rate of new skin cells slows down. Eggs are a clean, bioavailable, complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids, along with biotin, vitamin B12, and healthy fats that speed up skin cell regeneration and healing capacity. Food 2, Amla. Collagen being present in your skin is essential for firmness, elasticity, and a youthful structure. As you age, oxidative stress increases and collagen starts breaking down, which is when wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging appear. Here is a common myth. Drinking market collagen powder directly boosts the collagen in your skin. In reality, your body first breaks that protein down into amino acids and only then decides where to use it. So the real game is not drinking collagen powder, it is triggering your body's own natural collagen synthesis, and the biggest catalyst for that is vitamin C. Without vitamin C, your body cannot stabilize collagen at all. It activates the enzyme reactions that keep collagen fibers strong and cross-linked. Amla is the most potent natural source of vitamin C, combined with powerful tannins that fade pigmentation and dark spots from within. The biggest mistake people make is juicing their amla. Juicing strips out the fiber, spikes fructose directly into your bloodstream, and increases insulin resistance, which itself accelerates skin aging and acne. Always eat amla whole, never as juice, and skip the sugar loaded murabba too. Food 3, Spinach. This is a single food sitting in every Indian kitchen that is incredibly powerful for liver detox and hormonal balance. Spinach has a direct connection to your liver's condition, and your liver's condition has a direct connection to your skin health. When your liver is sluggish and cannot efficiently detox excess hormones and toxins, they come out through your skin as acne, dullness, and breakouts. Spinach is a nutrient dense green leafy vegetable loaded with powerful antioxidants, beta carotene, and folate, which neutralize cellular damage and reduce oxidative stress, a major driver of skin aging. Spinach also supports your liver's natural detox pathway, helping flush impurities from the blood, which automatically reduces the load on your skin. Included lightly cooked in soup or as a simple sabzi. One thing to remember, spinach contains oxalates, so if your gut is sensitive or you have IBS or chronic gastric issues, always eat it lightly cooked rather than raw. Food 4, Almonds. You can apply as much moisturizer as you want on the surface, but if your cells have weak moisture holding capacity, your skin will still look dry and lifeless. This is where vitamin E comes in, and almonds are one of the richest natural sources of it. Vitamin E is a fat soluble antioxidant that penetrates deep into cell membranes, protects them from oxidative damage, and maintains elasticity and softness. It acts like a shield against UV induced skin damage and premature aging. Almonds also provide healthy monounsaturated fatty acids and plant protein that structurally nourish skin cells. The golden rule here is portion control. Almonds are energy dense, so eating a full bowl in one sitting overloads you with calories and fat. One handful of soaked or raw almonds a day is enough. Deep fried or heavily salted packaged nuts do not count, and they actually increase inflammation instead of reducing it. Food 5, coconut. When people talk about skin radiance, hydration, and vitamin C are usually the first things mentioned. But one of the most important internal mechanisms that gets ignored is cellular hydration and lipid barrier support. Your skin cells need more than just water to retain moisture. They need healthy medium chain fatty acids that nourish them from within, and coconut is one of the best food sources for this. Coconut is loaded with lauric acid and medium chain triglycerides, which support gut microbial balance from within and improve gut health. When your gut is healthy, inflammation drops significantly, and that has a direct positive effect on your skin. Fresh coconut or coconut water also contains electrolytes, minerals, and powerful antioxidants that restore cellular hydration at a deep level. When your cells are fully hydrated, skin turns soft, supple, and radiant instead of dry and flaky. It strengthens the skin barrier and locks in natural moisture. The biggest mistake people make here is reaching for market sugary packaged coconut drinks or artificially flavored coconut products. These contain added sugar that damages skin through glycation. Always take coconut fresh or as pure coconut water, never in packaged form. 3 things quietly destroying your skin every day. Now that we have covered 5 powerful foods, it is just as important to understand what is destroying your skin from the inside daily, no matter how expensive a cream you apply on top. The first culprit is liquid sugar and refined carbs. Cold drinks, maida items, and sugary teas spike your blood glucose like a rocket. This excess sugar binds to collagen and elastin fibers through a process called glycation, forming what are called advanced glycation end products. This is one of the single biggest reasons for premature aging and wrinkles. Sugar literally caramelizes or poisons your skin from the inside. The second problem is dairy overload. Commercial dairy and processed cheese trigger insulin like growth factor 1 or IGF-1, which increases sebum production and flares up cystic acne. The third is trans fats and reused cooking oils. Street food and packaged chips fried in repeatedly reused oil create systemic inflammation that leaves your skin rough, dull, and acne prone. The skin, gut, and liver connection. Your skin is the biggest organ in your body, and it is an exact mirror of your internal health. When inflammation or slow digestion in your gut lets toxicity enter your bloodstream, your skin is the first target of that systemic inflammation. Acne, dullness, and premature aging are signals of internal distress. The second major player is your liver. When your liver becomes sluggish from excess sugar and processed food, hormones cannot be processed properly, which is when hormonal acne and pigmentation increase. Until you fix your gut, liver, and cellular health, topical creams will only ever work as a temporary bandage. They cannot heal the root cause. Putting it together, real glowing skin is built from the inside, and for that, you need the right building blocks. Skincare does not mean lining up 10 different products on your bathroom shelf. Real skincare means what you are putting on your plate and how you are managing your lifestyle. Your body gives you signals every single day: dullness, acne, dryness, uneven tone. Most of us just mask those signals with another cream when what your body actually wants is for you to fix the root cause. Set yourself a simple rule for the next 14 days. Less focus on what you put on your skin, more focus on the real food on your plate. Increase your protein, include omega 3. Load up on vitamin C and spinach, and cut down your sugar, because when your internal health is radiant, your skin starts glowing on its own. Give your skin real health, not artificial shine. Your body already knows exactly what to do with the rest. If this was useful, let me know in the comments which of these 5 foods you are already eating. For more such science-packed content, check out my book Reversing Diabetes, now live on Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.